operating weight is 12 tons, and the body capacity is 0.23 cubic meter. And the front and rear support of the boom are made of the cast steel, which can effectively reduce the stress of construction and can increase the service life dramatically. Okay, let's check the cab. Come on. Okay, so this machine, it's equipped with a spacious cab. It supports operator a big spaces to operate this way. The seat with armrests, it is very comfortable, and it also can reduce the working fatigue dramatically. And also, big LCD screen is easy to read all date and to operate when you're working. Okay, let's check the back of the machine. It has a big hold, and this hold can provide the operator a big spaces to check and maintain the engine. And you can see about this machine, it adopts the imported Yanmar engine, and the net power is 36.2 kilowatt.